In this video, I'm going to explain how to get free shipping on Hacoo. So to actually get free shipping on Hacoo, you will have to use a code during the checkout, and those codes are sometimes dropped by Hacoo, and then all users can use them and get free shipping on their current order. So the best way to actually do this is simply to go to Google and just search up free shipping for Hacoo or Hacoo shipping codes or stuff like that, and there will always be some new codes. So if you're watching this at any time in the future, there's probably not a code that is valid at this current moment because they are usually expiring in a few days after they release them. So just go to Google and search for the latest news if there's any codes, and if there is a code, you will have to essentially apply it over here at checkout. So when you click checkout down below, you will be able to add in a code. Just type in that code, press apply or continue or okay, wherever it says, and then what you want to do is simply check if your coupon was applied, and if it was, that's great because you will not have to pay any shipping, just the cost of the items you have bought. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out, and if it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.